Hi there! Welcome to our video how to create a button with an icon in Touch Portal. Select your icon from the Explorer or Finder on a Mac and drag it to the button you want to use. Click Yes. You can also do this within the button. Go to the button you want to edit and press the left mouse button. Then on the right side of the icon selection bar, click on the three dots button. Select your icon you want to use and click Open. Now you can decide if you want this button full-sized, with a transparent background, with or without a background color, and with or without rounded corners. My button will have a transparent background and a normal size. Click on the plus button to add an action to your button. Select Start Application. Click Choose and select the application you want to add and click Open. Click Add and click Save. Now you can test the button you created in the app. Press the refresh button and tap the Word button. Till the next video, enjoy!